Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about on your Android smartphone device enabling or disabling the individual app access to switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. So this will apply for anything running the Android mobile operating system like Google Pixel or Samsung Galaxy phones. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and then select the settings button. You want to then go underneath settings and select apps and then scroll down underneath general and select special app access and then scroll down again and you want to go underneath where it says Wi-Fi control, select that. And then if you want to enable Wi-Fi control for any of these particular apps that are applicable in here, just go ahead and select the app. If you want to allow the app to control Wi-Fi, you can just toggle it on or off. Right now it's on. If it's toggled to the right, if it's toggled to the left, it means it's disabled. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.